We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out.
Hey Lab Squad, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, it's your boy Richie, it's your girl Ruthann, and it's your girl Colette. Guys, today we're starting this vlog in Clarendon. Sound the big joke. One of that town now. So today's on holiday, and you know what holidays are for? Go out and have fun. So we're going to St. Elizabeth. As you can see by the title, this is a 2-day road trip. So for the first day, we'll be going to Breadnut Valley and Falls. What name? Breadnut Valley Falls in St. Elizabeth. That's in Maggoty, if you are familiar with the area. So you guys, if you're close by, you can always come down and come check us out. We'll be there, chilling by the riverside. Stay tuned to the next vlog to see where we're going on day 2. It's a surprise. So we're currently at Clarendon Park. It's 9:04 a.m. so we're here trying to get some breakfast before we continue on our journey to St. Elizabeth. For this vlog, or for this excursion, for this trip, for this anything you want to call it, we'll be staying at an Airbnb. So of course we're getting the room tour, the villa tour, because you don't know once pulled up on the property, upgraded. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join the Lab Squad and turn on your post notifications so you'll be noticed. Whoa! So you'll be notified every time I upload, which if you know, you don't know, say upon Sunday's the thing there. Sunday dinner, and you're watching me on the TV. Sound good? Oh wait, that was it?
Dinner and a movie.
Dinner and a movie. Woo! Alright guys, when you know you know some people got drive through and them up there all long. You want all kind of transaction they do. So make sure you have the orders ready.
What kind of porridge them have? Them have porridge.
Peanut porridge. Yeah, they usually have.
Yeah, them supposed to have porridge.
So yeah.
They usually have how many corn?
How many corn? I think I have how many corn. Oh, okay,
may I write down the order them?
Soup. Them have soup.
See the board up here, so.
Them have board?
11 o'clock, yeah.
Oh.
They always have board at drive-thru.
You need it? That's up for tourists.
Collect this, I order everything she sees. It's a cashew here. Oh my gosh, I need sweet sap, June plum, I need beta cake, coconut drops.
I haven't eaten.
I think I shoot out instead of video shoot. Okay, medical color.
Richie, you look, you get one, right? Bless the Lord.
So doctor, we're doctor.
Guys. Oh my gosh, can I tell them what? Guys, we're currently in Maggoty and the GPS now pick up and we don't know where to go to find this Breadnut Valley because most persons they normally use a tour guide or a tour group, but we decided so we can do it ourselves. So we don't see no sign, we don't see nothing. So we're currently at the police station and Richie is inside trying to get directions. Why? I could see.
I like that station there.
What them say?
Be woman in there.
Beer woman?
Yeah.
What them say?
Say if a lady's there today. Eh? Them say the place I'm gonna show you.
The eye that which part the eye just something?
But you just a shot it all night till it's a right turn coming up. Shady just a shot.
Richie, we did take the right turn way say coming up.
No. I'm gonna show you the, you remember the turn?
Eh? No signal?
No.
So how them communicate walkie talkie?
No man, for them phone we get accustomed to it. I saw your phone working now. See me I get my digital now. You see if
When you're in one place for quite a while.
yeah, you pick up, you get. Cause when we used to work at town and then we move to St. Elizabeth to do some work, the first month, my phone them never there pick up service. Then it start get 1 bar, then 2 bar. Yeah, it's like the phone them get accustomed to the
Guys, I wanna pee.
After we come out of the police
Police station and bathroom.
of course, and it proper to a nice and clean.
Oh God. See man them walk far.
You see I'm mad.
Beaches of Hawaii, drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby.
Guys, we reach. So we follow the instructions and reach. So we're just gonna go check out the place now, and of course I'm going to bring you along with me.
Here we have the crew.
Alright guys, so sun out. We're in the process of changing into our swimwear, and let me just give you a tour of where we are right now because we're going to take a hike. So got some cars here. Guys, we're walking to the next spot. I don't know, so I really do that hike thing. Yeah? So I'm going to show you the journey. Because I did.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a best thing in your life.
Water cool.
Feeling me right. I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take it round, take it round.
You can go up on the top part of it.
Get the nice one. Guys, you see how I'm wet? I'm not going out the water yet. Like,
Guys, it's rough. The journey is rough. Colette, what do you have to say? Yeah, the view is nice. The view is really nice, but the journey, we're trying to find a way to get down to that falls, all the way down there. So, Richie is trying to discover land for us to get down there. So you bring the bag? That means my bag. I left me a return up here. Whoa! Squad, so we're going to go into the river and we're going to have some fun. No, the sun gone.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. You don't understand. I really gonna love this. See that, son? Woo. You see this? I think this might be the only way you can get closer in 2 years. Yeah.
We're having a good time. We're having a good time. Me and the friend them are riverside. Guys, if you want to come on the next Lab Squad adventure, leave a comment down below.
It's right in the water. This is beautiful.
Oh my god!
found the cave. We're in the middle of the cave. Careful with the steps here and look at deep spots.
You get me? Because there's no current on the side of the water. The current's only in the middle. So nothing's pushing you back and there's enough steps around. I can even open the phone actually. This part.
You thought that they were on this here?
Wait, I'm gonna go
You know you're not a
A rock in the front. You have to take time and find the rocks. You have little spots. Like watch out. In front of the rock, away down there. So you have to keep following the rocks.
From Richie Pump. Never try go around this, but more I see you go first. You're not going to? Oh, never go. We're in a cave, guys. Woo! Whoa! Hello, squad. I really hope you're enjoying this vlog as much as I am enjoying this adventure. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
I feel good.
Hey, now look at that, that's what I'm doing. Woo! Now look at that, that's what I'm doing. Like a thousand dollars. I know! Come aside! Outside? What are you doing? Oh, yeah, okay, sir.
Asking for help me? Asking for help me?
Yeah. Ooh, that's what the pressure is. That's pressure right here. Let's go! Get a video for me one day. Let's go! Sit on the road. Sit down. Not going up with it. It's a real nigga foot. What happened to the real nigga foot? Get it! I'm gonna just say, let me just do it. You did it.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
I like it.
Guys, we're back. Girl.
In a load yet.
Wait, in a load there. Mer, with the bush.
I know why I try connect. Much less video
Chantel
call. Much less video
but with the
call.
bush. Chantel?
Let's go find Sandon.
Girl, Rutan going at the river. Yeah, here we? She freeze up. Girl, Rutan going at the river.
I forgot. Of course, take off clothes. But it did nice. It did nice. The 21st. Oh, hold on. All right, guys. So we're just going to leave. Which part were they?
Breadnut Valley.
Okay, guys. So we're just going to leave Breadnut Valley Falls. We had a great time, right, guys?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check into our Airbnb now. So come on with us. We're going to Treasure Beach. All right, let's go.